Hey guys, welcome back to another math video. Today's first question is, what is the sum of the first 61 positive integers? And I think it's worth highlighting that. So, what is the sum of the first 61 positive integers? So, positive, so that starts from 1. So, it'd basically be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus all the way to 61. There are two easy methods to do this. Method number 1. Since 61 is an odd number, we can actually put a 60 before it, since all of these, like 60 plus 1 equals 61, 2 plus 59, also 61. And since there are 60 numbers, there would be 30 sets of 61, so it would be 61 times 30, and we can put the 61 by itself at the very end, like so. And at this stage, you could also combine the two 61s to make 61 times 31, but that's also harder to solve, and it's much easier to just add the 61 at the end. So 61 times 30, 1830 plus 61, which equals 1891. And then there's also method number 2. So method number 2 requires a formula, which basically works for, let's just say n is the final number. So it's basically like 1 plus 2 plus 3 all the way up to n. So the formula basically works like n multiplied by n plus 1 divided by 2. And it's also worth mentioning the 61 times 31 example I showed in the first formula, because if we improvised n as 61, like in our case, it would be 61 multiplied by 62 divided by 2, which also equals, if you even out these two, be 61 times 31, which was just like this problem if we put this 61 with the first set. Moving on to problem number 2. What is the value of the sum of 5 plus 10 plus 15 plus all the way to 100? You can notice here that all of these numbers are a multiple of 5. So, using a method that I explained in earlier videos, we can take out the 5 here and multiply it on to everything inside divided by 5. So that would basically be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus all the way 2 plus 20. And here we can make the sets like 1 and 20, 2 and 19, and so on. And they would all make sets of 21. There are 10 sets of 21. So it'd basically be 5 when you lift the parentheses, 21, or just 10, times 10, or 10 can be in front because, sorry, that's not 21. So it would basically be 5 times 210, and that would equal the 10 in the front, 50. And yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope this taught you guys at least a little bit more about math, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!